In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for a content calendar. First, open your browser and head over to your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want to manage your content planning. From the home view, look towards the main navigation where you can create new boards. Click the button that lets you add a new board or start from an existing setup and choose the option to start with a template. This will open the Template Center. In the search bar at the top, type in the keyword related to content or calendar so you can quickly find the content calendar template. When you see the template that matches what you're looking for, click on it to open the details. Here, you'll usually see a description of how the template works, along with a preview of the board. If it looks like a good fit, click on Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board in your workspace based on that template. Once it's created, you'll be taken directly to the board. This is your starting point for the content calendar. Take a moment to look around. You'll see groups, items, and columns that represent things like status, due dates, platforms, and owners. Next, you may see options at the top of the board to adjust your view or switch accounts or workspaces. Make sure you're in the correct work account if you have multiple accounts set up. Within the board, look for a column that represents the channel or platform, for example, website. Click into that field for one of the items to specify that this piece of content is for your website. You'll also find columns for status, such as draft. Click on the current status and change it to draft if the content is still being written. This helps you and your team understand exactly where each piece stands. You might also have a dedicated board view or section named Content Calendar. Click on this to see your content visually laid out, often in a calendar or timeline format. This makes it easier to spot gaps in your schedule or busy days. From here, you can click into different parts of the board to adjust dates, assign owners, tweak statuses, and refine details. Work your way down the items, using the highlighted fields to update information. By consistently using these fields, your Monday.com board becomes a powerful, central place to manage your entire content calendar.